Gotta keep the road rage.
Yeah, like, oh, Jesus Christ.
We gotta keep the road rage.
He's going crazy.
Oh, did he hit him? Oh shit, he just hit him. He hit and run.
Oh, he's gonna hit this. He almost hit this guy. Imagine if he hit this Mercedes. Oh. What is wrong with you? Because I paid and I don't know.
Seems like the worst spot possible.
Yeah, oh my god, it's really fun.
That's what, 6 buses?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wow.
So dangerous.
And now this guy's pissed off.
Whoa! Jesus Christ! Crazy.
Oh.
I don't know where you're going, buddy. Where are you going? These guys got an agenda. You don't want to get part of this. Don't become part of this.
This guy's like,
Josh Lyers. Get around the fast, pal. Yeah, I bet you the car's going to go right back in the right lane. No, he just got hit.
whatever these two got going on over here.
Corroborating evidence that other outside parties are now talking about and provided as well. And a lot of really confident even before BD and JJ, Brandon Best and Joshua Johnson, got involved here from the top turnbuckle. What I find interesting though is
Turn left on Delivery Boulevard.
No one else has informed the public in terms of what's actually going on. So when it comes to Gary, we have a lot of work to do to clean our act. Wouldn't it be crazy to think that Jerry was the point that's causing a lot of these problems in Canada?
Jesus. Just got across 3 lanes of traffic with a semi-truck.
I mean, it's slower than a tennis shot, man. It's about it's crude, man. It's crude.
There's a white car out there. Why don't you do Nissan?
The kids basically had no privacy
that
whatsoever,
place is
and
flying.
even admitted to that.
Oh my god.
At the next light, turn left into the parking lot.
Patriotic tributes and the kickoff to Giving Fourth, helping to make July 4th the largest day of giving in American history. It's more than just fireworks. Learn more about this landmark
and trivial experiences. In both cases, I believe I was correct. Whichever side of marriage you're on, you don't get what the other people are doing.
Come on, I'm with you, you son of a mom. Where's this mother gone? Where's this driver? Where's this driver? Where's he gone? Where's this driver? Come on.
Turn left.
Get back with you. So you just walk away.
A few moments later.
Good.